Hi everyone and welcome back to the Quick Cue video series. This is Mrs. Burt. This video is about how to save your show. So from the last video you can see we had a show. Here it is running. We want to save that so that we can access it at a later date. Alright, so the way we do that is we click on the three little lines at the top here and the files. Alright, so we want to save the show as. We've never saved it before, so this is the first time we're going to save it. Save show as. Alright, now it'll come up with a generic date, etc., and you can use that if you want to save different versions, and they'll all be date stamped for you. So I might just do that for now. So I'm going to click on, this is going to save on the console, which is the computer in this program. So I'm just going to click on console, save, and it says it's saved my show. Now that I've done save show as, you can see there's given me some other options. So I'm just going to click save show. It's saved it again. And now there's also an option here, backup show to USB. Now I don't have one plugged in, so that's why it's showing me that at the moment. But if I plug in my USB, I recommend you bring a USB. Let's not worry about that. So that you're not just saving everything on your computer, you have a version that you can access or transfer to, if we get the lights in the hall working, you can transfer your show to there. So I'm going to click backup show to USB, work out where you want to save it. I'm going to save it in STEM, and do I need to change that? It doesn't seem to like that. Let's go back. Cancel. It doesn't want me to save it in a folder. I think I've had that problem before. So I'm just going to click save. You can always drag it into a folder later on. I'll just stop that because that's a little bit distracting. Okay, so that is how you save a show. Give it a name, so as. Anytime you're working on it, you can just click save show and it will save the progress of that show. And if you want to save it onto a USB, which is a very good idea, you can do that here. So that's all there is to saving your show.